What once was old can now be new again. With a little elbow grease, you can refresh for pennies on the dollar. Our patio chairs have seen better days. Instead of tossing them, I've turned them into something great. I started by taking a steel brush to remove all of the loose paint and sanded it down. Wiped it with a damp cloth and then proceeded to spray it with 2 coats of spray paint. I let it dry overnight, then came back in to give it a little detail with some Dollar Tree rope and some hot glue. I could have stopped here, but I decided to let it blend in with the rest of the paint, so I gave it a couple of coats of spray. And here's what it looks like when it's completely dry. Now for the finishing touch. With a few select pillows from Wayfair and Amazon, our job is now complete. What do you think, beloved? How did I do?